Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. Number here again is 704-997-2168. Give me a shout or come on by and let me show you this boat. This 2020 Harris 230 Solstice is powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 150 engine. It has a 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder, ski tow bar, has the wraparound fencing so you could sit back here while the boat is underway. Plenty of cup holders. As you'll notice, they are lighted as well. This rear seat flips backwards so you can sit on this side of the boat facing forward or sit as it is in a sun lounge position. It has a 12-foot Bimini top with a light. High back reclining chair, swivels and tilts. Has your Simrad touchscreen depth finder, fish locator, JL audio system, tilt steering wheel, changing room, seating in the bow area with diamond stitch. As you can see, plenty of cup holders on each side of the boat. More speakers, and again more speakers here in the back. As an added bonus on this 230 Solstice, you'll see that it has the Vantage pontoon protection guard already installed, full length. Really dresses up the side of the pontoon and gives you a warranty. If you'd like to take a look at this 230 Solstice by Harris, give me a call. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168, MarineMax Lake Norman. Look forward to seeing you.